Online courses are our favorite form of passive income. We'll show you how you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month from selling your online training sessions. So, what's the deal with online training? You put in the hard work up front, building the course and setting up the sales funnel. Then, reap the rewards of recurring passive income for the rest of your life. Not a bad deal. A few weeks of hard work creating the course, and in return, you receive a lifetime of income without lifting a finger. Contrary to popular belief, starting an online business and selling online courses is easy and cheap. All you need is an idea and a little hustle to get the business off the ground. Let's see. How to create your course. Where to sell your course. How much money can you earn? If you like this video and its content, don't forget to hit that button. And also, tell us in the comments below, how was your experience with online courses, be it as a teacher or as a student. Everybody needs to learn something at some point in their life, and why not be their teacher? I'm pretty sure you have something to teach, but what are the best ways to produce your course? So, how to create a course? First of all, you have to find a subject you're good at and turn it into great teaching material. Whether you're good at art, do-it-yourself, marketing, programming, anything can be transformed into a course and ready to be taught. For example, if you can teach baking bread, you have to film yourself baking while explaining the process and the tips and tricks that make a piece of good bread. So the first way of creating the course is to film yourself explaining. But if you want to teach games programming, you have to record your screen and maybe yourself for some explanations. We will place in the description some resources for tutorials on how to film your first course, from beginner to intermediate users. Of course, for more advanced users, some pro equipment is required, but for starters, a decent smartphone with some light would do it. So, check out the description of this video for resources on how to produce your course. Where to sell your course? Here are two main ways to sell your courses. Via an established platform for selling courses, like Udemy or Skillshare, or through your own website. There are advantages for each of them, and we will break them out now. Selling your courses through platforms will lift your worries for marketing and finding students. Everybody goes to Udemy or Skillshare to find the next thing to learn, so your audience is already there. But you have to align to the platform rules, and your price will have to match the competition that's on the same listing as you are. On the other hand, selling your course on your website is a bit more challenging, but you have total control over the structure of the course, your pricing, and your marketing. Selling your course via Udemy or Skillshare. On Udemy, there's a wide array of courses, and you can teach anything, from photography to baking bread. Skillshare is more focused on programming, marketing, creative skills, and so on. But Udemy has a good analytics section where you can do your research on what courses are in demand, how much your audience is going to be, and your earnings potential, so you can get information like, the average earnings for your topic is this amount of dollars a month. Skillshare works in a different way. You get paid on the number of premium minutes that your audience watches, so when you launch your course, you can get free or premium minutes watched that will generate your passive income. In terms of course structure, the two platforms are pretty different. On Udemy, you can have video or text lessons assignments, while on Skillshare you can have only video classes. If you want to create a course where you don't want to show your face, then Udemy is your choice, while Skillshare is 100% video. Also, on Skillshare, you have to create a project associated with your course, where students will follow your course, and then they will submit their feedback. After you create your course, on both Udemy and Skillshare, you will upload your materials and a moderator will approve them before going online. If it's not approved, then you will get actionable feedback on how to correct your course to be approved. Also, Skillshare is more strict on the course outline. You have to incorporate an intro, a structured body, a good thumbnail and description, and so on. Long-term, both platforms are good ways to generate reliable income. Sure, some teachers make a full-time living, but they are a minority. Best way is to establish a goal of creating the courses to something on the side. Imagine how beneficial it would be to earn even $500 a month from a course, which is entirely feasible at the beginning. Which is the best? Skillshare or Udemy? It all depends on the sort of material you want to create. Udemy is now oversaturated, making it difficult to gain visibility for your courses if you don't already have an audience. So go to Udemy with the understanding that you'll have to perform a lot of advertising. Skillshare, on the other hand, performs a far better job of exposing new creators while being more constrained in terms of course subjects. Our advice is create several courses per each platform. While there are some teachers who develop a handful of superstar courses, the majority will benefit from having a portfolio of courses. To conclude, the earning potential for Udemy and Skillshare is real. Selling your course on your own website. Let's say you want to teach how to create efficient online advertising campaigns, and you want to sell this course through your own website. First, you have to create your website. For that, you can use various options, but WordPress should be a pretty reliable one, with an e-commerce plugin installed. Then, you have to invest in marketing and online ads to put your course in front of your audience. And that could mean an activity on its own, with its own challenges. But while this approach is not that easy to do, you have the liberty of creating any kind of courses and strategy of promoting them. How much money can you make? Well, selling courses is great for generating a passive income stream. Just create your course, put it on sale, and reap the rewards. Of course, if you opted to create your own website for your course, you have to invest time and money in the marketing efforts. As for scaling up this business, we actually recommend having a portfolio of courses put on sale, so the money you get could be multiplied. Just to do general math to how much money you can make by teaching online. If you earn $200 to $500 a month from a course and you have 10 courses created and put on sale, that'll be up to $5,000 a month from your online courses as passive income. And if you produce that number for both platforms and also for your website, it really could mean $10,000 a month from selling courses. We really encourage you to create your own courses online and create a stream of passive income. If you have more questions about this, or if you already had this experience of a teacher or of a student, feel free to start a conversation in the comments. It will help you and others a lot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more ideas on your journey to $10,000 a month income.